Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen on the daily chart. Can see that consolidation start. I think a breakout trade is going to happen very soon. I am seeing that it's breaking up to the upside. Down to the 4-hour chart, we can see a consolidation, a series of higher low. Although it looked kind of weak on the upward movement, but pretty confident that a push towards upside. But of course, consolidation. Conservative traders, you can wait for a confirmation, which is a break and close above, a retracement, then engage the trade. 1-hour chart, likewise, RSI is at the bottom. Great indication for me. Back to daily, let me share with you my analysis. So right here, what we got is a what we say a indicator over here. Pretty helpful for new traders and traders that have not been very profitable in trading yet. To scan this QR code and you will let on to our website. You can indicate with our traders and analysts and stuff like that to discuss on your trade. Scroll down further, then you will be able to assess the cost, depends on your membership. And further down, this is the what you call a trade ideas over here. All right, back to the daily chart. My analysis is just as simple. A break and close above the high will confirm a bearish movement, bullish movement, 10787. Alright, so waiting for a breakup towards the upside. On the 4-hour chart, I'm stalling. I'm waiting for a buying opportunity. Nothing on the 4-hour. The indicator is not showing up yet. And on the 1-hour, looks pretty good. So perhaps a retest of the previous low will get me pump up for a buying opportunity. And that's pretty much I have for you today. Scan the QR code, get into our community, and don't trade alone anymore. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and share your plan. See you then.